Hello guys, today we're gonna fix this etiolated cucumber cactus and see the result after a month how effective this method is. We can see the history of this cactus here. The lower part where the body is wide. This means that the cactus is getting enough light. The next part, it's getting thin, which means it's stretching towards the light. And the third part is it becomes white again. This means it's getting enough light again. This is also a proof that once etiolated, it stays etiolated. Always sterilize to avoid spreading the viruses and fungus into the open wounds. On this stump, we have removed the etiolated part and we can expect this to produce regular shaped pups without any etiolation as long as it gets enough light. Why I use sulfur powder? It's very useful to heal the cuts faster. It will also help avoid fungal infection. If you don't use this and you have cuts this wide, there's a chance that it will rot. But you can use other powders if you don't have sulfur powder, like cornstarch, to heal the wound faster. Adding some sticks to straighten the cactus only works if you put them in full sunlight. So when you remove the sticks, they'll grow straight as long as they get enough sunlight. Take note that this won't work if you put them in indirect sunlight because they'll stretch towards the sun again, so they won't grow straight. And about this cutting, it will retain its etiolated shape, but we can expect this to grow regular shaped pups as long as they get enough light. Many of you are asking what is the soil mix I use. So this is the soil mix I use. This is really a fast draining soil that works for my succulents. These pups too will retain their etiolated shape. When they grow bigger, the top part will widen and we'll just plant it deeper into the soil, showing just the wide head. This is how I fix my etiolated cactus. If you have more ideas how to fix your etiolated cactus, please let us know in the comments down below. This method works for me. It removes etiolation on my cactus and it also produces more pups. See you on our next video. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like and share.